If you want to make money with your drone, that's where you want to get your Part 107 commercial drone license. One of the first questions that I get is, what drone should I get? Well, honestly, get the one that you can afford, and don't feel like you need to get the latest and greatest, most expensive. What you need to do is get flight time. You need to get comfortable learning how to fly, understanding the movements, dealing with wind, dealing with objects. I mean, you're dealing with a lot. And so the more practice you get, the more comfortable you will become, especially when you start flying the beefier, larger drones. So the other question I get is, do I have to have a license? Yes. That's the simple answer. One of the things that we do as pilots is, one, you can do it as a hobbyist. You just pay the $5, you can register your drone, and then that's great. You can fly to your heart's delight. So how do you make money with your drone flying? Well, that's the Part 107. That's the license that you'll want to get in order to become a commercial drone pilot. So I have one of the manuals that you'll be doing. I recommend the Aviation 1410 course that actually goes over all the knowledge that you'll need. The other thing that I tell students, or just anyone who wants to get into this, is start logging your time. For me, I like to actually have a physical logbook that goes over all the flights I ever take. Now, this is important because I would say you would feel confident about selling your wares after you hit about a 50-hour mark of flying. So make sure that you spend time. It doesn't matter if you're on something like this or something even smaller. In fact, I even have students play with those $30 drones and chasing after their cat because they're learning how to use the controls in order to pilot these drones. So the more time you have in the sticks, the better it is to prepare for you to sell your wares.